Hello, children. Hope you all are well. I know you all are tired of staying at home and want to see the outer world and enjoy. But, children, the fact is, we do not want to take risks at the present situation. Though many states have given relaxation with providing safety measures, people are not going out risking their life. Today we are going to read a poem, The Joy of Travel. The poem is written by Marilyn Lott, who was a traveler who traveled frequently and enjoyed writing poems about her travels. Here in this poem, The Joy of Travel, also she talks about the various cultures and the happiness she gets by interacting the people, different people, and their attire, their food, their religious beliefs, practices, etc. We also travel to change our moods. So let's read this poem and know more about it. The Joy of Travel. What a thrill it is to travel. Perhaps in different countries, the cultures incredibly diverse. So many wonderful things to see. The poet says that it is a thrill, excitement, and pleasure to travel to a different country where the culture is completely diverse, which is entirely different, incredibly diverse. And there are many wonderful things to see around. The clothes can be so different, unique in their treasured styles, an entirely distinctive kind of people with their friendly, happy smiles. In the second stanza, the poet says that the clothes, the attire of the people is different, very different, and the way of dressing is unique, special. There is, and the people are entirely different from us, and they receive us with a friendly and happy smile. And the food can be quite challenging, different tastes and how they eat, but hey, I'm ready to try it. Doesn't have to be potatoes and meat. Here the poet says that the food is challenging, quite challenging. She says this because we may or may not like the taste of the food as the style of cooking and the way of eating, serving may be different. Some may like or unlike vegetarian or non-vegetarian food. There may be different kinds of food. But the poet says that she is ready to try any kind of food. And she doesn't want to have potatoes and meat anymore. And she is ready to accept this challenge. And she is regularly eating potatoes and meat. She wants a change and she wants to try some different kind of food. Different ways and thoughts of worship. It is such an interesting treat to see the different cultures and all the interesting folks you meet. In this stanza, the poet says that the people are of different religion and they have different ways of worship and they follow different religious beliefs. The people we meet are interesting and they have their own ways to show the hospitality, that is, to treat the visitors or entertain them. So if you get a chance, folks, get on a plane or cruising ship, taking yourself to another country, have a great and wonderful trip. In the last stanza, the poet says that so, giving all these reasons, she says that if you get a chance, she's giving an advice that if you get a chance to travel by a plane or a cruising ship, you must not miss and you travel to another country and have a wonderful trip. So, this is about the poem. Hope you all enjoyed the poem. Thank you, children.